So today I'm going to be reviewing and installing these lights right here. They're pretty cool because you don't need an electrical hookup to hook them up. They will also work if you do have an electrical connection, but if you don't have an existing light, as you can see on this wall, no lights, instead of running the electricity, they just use these little lights right here that run off of batteries. And then they screw in right here, and then they screw into the bulb. So that's a pretty cool feature. Comes with the mounting hardware, screws to screw it into the wall, all of your backing plate right here, the lampshade, and you can see this is how it goes together, and 2 remotes. And also comes with these extra decorative nuts. It's always nice when they come with extra hardware like that in case some of these get damaged or need to be replaced. Start off by mounting the mounting plate to the wall wherever you want. If there is no stud behind it, you have to use one of these wall anchors. And if you're going into a stud, you can just use one of these included screws. And they are good, nice screws, which is always good to see. And mount, hide the wires, push it through, and use the supplied nuts. Put the lampshade on, grab the nut, tighten it up. Grab the light bulb with the 3 AA batteries installed, and you can just tap right here. White, red, green, blue, and off. And you also can use this remote. You can tap it, so if you lose the remote, not that big a deal. All the different colors. Or you can use the remote on, off, and you can hit all the different colors here on the remote. You can put it on a timer, fade it down. You can, timer, smooth it out. Yellows and blues and greens and tons of colors, tons of options for whatever your mood might be. Great light. I love that you don't have to have an electrical hookup to use it. This would make it great for putting inside a shed, a tree house, or just somewhere, that would be too cost prohibitive to get the electrical work done. I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.